So yeah, this is my website. How to market my website based on the classified. What is mean by classified? Suppose your requirement is called you can promote your services, or you can promote your trainings. So you sell some product, you purchase some product on the using classified. That is called first you select by your services. In these services, you can promote option call it anything we can promote by using classified. Then this one, your class will be two things. The class will be called local SEO and global SEO. Local SEO and global SEO. If you come into local, just I'm clicking this option. In this service, you can promote using for classified. First of all, go into your website is called top one is called logento.net. First of all, if you're searching for your classified, the searching will be Hyderabad play classifieds. When search here, they're showing for OLX, click in, and quicker, use care, either locana.net and India web. So hydclassified.com, full Hyderabad, and viewfreeads.com. So many classified will be shown. First option, we have to sign up the each and every website. Classified will be two types, with sign in, without sign in. With sign will verify by your email. Without sign verify by your category. One is called with sign in. Second will be without sign in. First you can check by without with sign in. First you can sign in my account. Simply, these are my ads. So based on ads, you can check by viewers. 904 views and 840 and 1606. These are the option. So I can promote this website design development company in Hyderabad. So I can promote my particular area. So that is called select for website design development the hosting services in Madhapur. Why? People searching this option, I can go with this option here. Copy, select it, click for post free ad. Each ad will define by your keyword. Without keyword and without description, without image, class will be 0. So first you add by title, next your services. Services will be web services, means you can add your things, add here. Now coming to your add your photograph. Photograph we adding for totally based on that we adding for 20 photograph, 5 photograph, 4 photographs. The based on the classify minimum adding for 4 to finish by 20 images. Minimum 4 to 20 images. Select it. Select here. I am adding in this. Select here. Next one. I'm writing for description. This is description. Copy description. Paste here. Finally, copy this URL. Paste it. For people who know your number purpose, add your number, add your location, and city, pin code number important. And based on the classified, they give one particular days, how many days ad will be live. This will be ad will be only for 42 days. After 42 days, the not will be expired. The ad will be showing for renewal purpose. After renewal, the ad will showing for another 42 days. Now click for post your ad. After post your ad, the ad will be approved or not approved. How to check? That is called go to your Google. Select option call is your Gmail. In this Gmail, we have to option call is this ad will be approved or not approved. That is only possible by login classifiers only. Without login classified, you can check by your category wise. So that will show also. Now I'm checking for with the login classifieds. So here in this I'm searching for promotion. In this you can check this option. So You have to, you can check here. So still not coming to your for ad will be approved. When coming to ad is approved, the show will be like this. And check. So wait for few seconds. So you're still not is ad your active will be called. Well done. Your ad will be online in a few minutes. Means the approve time will be take the approval purpose. Click for my ads. In this ad is approved or not will be checked by in this option. See this slide. So refresh. See this. Done. Website design and development with hosting services in Madhapur. What is that? The ad is approved. Any login classified, they can give information call is ad is approved, ad will be declined. They give information by your login websites. This is called login website. Next one, without login websites. So here, this classified no required for any logins. See this one. So this website will be no required for the logins. Simple one, post an ad. In this, how to know this ad will be verified or not verified? That is totally depend on by your category. Means coming to services, you come into writing a keyword. The keyword is called, I'm writing here. Select it. Next, writing for description. After that, select area. After that, well, remember in this without login website not accept by images. That only for 10 KB. We not design the 10 KB images. So I'm writing for name, email ID, and writing for phone number, and writing your captcha code. Click for post my ad free. Your question: my ad is approved or not? Your question is ad is approved or not? See this. Your ad been successfully posted. A link will be managed. Your ads has been send your email ID. Thank you. So when they will send you by email ID. So this will be not sending by email ID. Simple. Just to go to home page. Go to home page. What are your category writing for? Services your category. Just come into your categories. Click for services. In the services, your ad will be showing for here. See this one. In the time of they're posting for 2 members, here will be our ad. So they will be showing for 10 KB and not have an image from 10 KB. So I'm not adding for images. See this. This is your website design development with the hosting services in Madhapur. The comment will be like this. So these are your content. One coming to content here. Finally, they click for URL. Here two advantages. Here will be promote your keywords. They promote your website URL for backlinking submission purpose. Backlinking submission purpose. So these are we can use in for classified with the login and without login also. So we're done by two type of words. One is a login without login also. In with login, we have option call is 3 premium ads also there. That is called tab ad, gallery ad, and premium ads. When coming to premium ads, you select the premium ads. See this package: 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 months, 2 months, and 1 month. This is called the showing for your search engine as an ad with using for Locanto also. Any people coming to Locanto, your ad will showing for recommended ads. Recommended ads using for Locanto also. This paid ads in classified only allowed by the login classifieds only. Without login classifieds, they're not promoted for the paid ads. With the login classified, you can promote by the paid ads. Please note down.